How to merge customers on Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is of course log in to our Shopify account, and once logged in, let's go to the left hand side and here we can see customers. Let's click on customers. So once you've clicked on this one, this will show up. So here we can see our customer's name, and all we need to do is to click on our customers and this pop out will show up. So let's click on this three dotted button and simply merge customers. There we have successfully merged our customer. So these customer will be merged. This can't be undone. So just click on confirm once you are sure about this decision. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.